But she forgot, like the day. What? The video now. Oh, I can't see your face.
Why? Because I'm so short.
Yeah, because you're short. Hello, everybody. It's me again, Margaret. So today, as you may have guessed by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we're making a Minecraft pig. His name is Peepeepoopoo. That's all you need to know. Or maybe I can squat and be short like you.
That's rude.
Okay, but in all seriousness, we are making a Minecraft pig from PewDiePie's iconic Minecraft series and his pig, Peep. You understand? And I brought Squirt here with me along for the ride because I don't really want to paint the whole pig by myself. She doesn't know that's why she's here. She knows we're going to make the pig. But she didn't know that the sole reason she was here was to help paint the pig.
Now I do.
Now you know. But she'll probably help out with it. She will help out with other things too.
Just my presence here is helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to find out how big we're going to make the Minecraft pig starting now.
No.
Starting now.
We're going to say it at the same time.
Starting now. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, so Jenna up and left me. But I finished the dimensions. This is, let there be light. So these are the dimensions of the pig. So the body is 24 by 12. This legs are 6 by 6 by 12. Both of them are all 4, I guess I should say. And the head is that. Yeah, okay. So what's the next step?
I don't know.
Well, you're dumb. Let's go get some.
Build.
Yes! Great job!
Okay.
Great, brilliant. Let's find some cardboard. Ready?
You go find some cardboard.
No, you should come with me and
No,
find
I'm going to surprise you.
You're kind of surprised. Great. Cardboard. I'm gonna go get Jenna, and she's gonna help me get the cardboard out. Okay, so never mind. She didn't help me. I can do things by myself. I'm a capable, independent young man. But she didn't even. She's like, I'm gonna do my own thing. So she's over here doing I don't know what. Whatever. So this is a relatively simple project in case you didn't notice. It's like squares. Cool?
Minecraft.
It's Minecraft. So we have here what will be the body of the pig and Jenna's foot. Okay, so you see, it's these and then it goes like that. Wow! But I need to like put it together completely, so I'll do that now. Wait, no, what the? Ah, there we go. So now we have to fill in these holes to like give it structure and make sure that... Yeah, okay, let's do that. Okay, so you get the gist. I won't bore you with more time lapse. Okay, so this is done. This is the body of the pig again, in case you were dumb. Now let us tell you our master plan. Yenna yo?
Good morning.
Good morning. So, here's the plan. I make the boxes for the body of the pig, while she...
Oh, I'm going to cover the edges with masking tape and
Big masking tape.
and draw the squares that I'm painting.
Yes.
It's hard to say.
It'll make sense eventually. It just yeah. It'll be great.
Wait.
Let's get the start.
Let's do the thing you did.
What?
Let's get crafting.
Oh boy.
No, like when you...
Okay, so Jenna has finished drawing these beautiful squares on to the body of the peepeepoopoo, and so she's going to go ahead and start painting. I've still only made a leg. It's like been like 5 hours since we last filmed. Haven't done anything except she's actually continued on this. Great job, Jenna. You get a thumbs up. 1,000 brownie points. Okay, cool. That's all. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh, look, I've still only made one leg. Better make the rest of them. Empty. Okay, so that's one more leg done. 2 total. Just 2 more to go, and that'll be done in 3, 2, 1. Them some nice legs. Now it's time for the noggin. That pretty much wraps it up for like production, like building things. So now it's time for me to hand off basically this entire project to my sister so she can finish it. Cool. But as I mentioned before, we're out of paint. So we're going to have to go to the store and get some new paint. Okay, Jenna, what are we doing next?
You're done.
Other than getting off of our phones. Hopefully these colors match.
I think they will.
I think they will. We also need to like draw out some of. Okay, great. Let's just do it. What?
Stop.
Look, guys, it's a dead pig.
Ow! Just stop that.
Oh, it broke! You fool!
You're gonna put it on my head.
You were the one who was dumb. You're so dumb.
No.
Jenna smiled creepily at the camera. The artist, in her with her palette, in her natural habitat. She's a dangerous creature, ready to strike at any moment and paint all over your most comfortable jeans. Do not disturb her. Otherwise. I'm having fun, are you?
Yeah, I really like doing all the work. Guys, we finished the pig.
Wow, you're funny, Jenna.
Move along.
Comedy gold. He's gonna be the new Cardboard Craft mascot, actually.
Really?
Yep, he is now. Boom.
Wait.
I just made that decision. What are you doing? Jen. Okay, kids, are you ready for some insight into my big brain? Look, cardboard edges are like these. These are ugly. Guess what else is ugly?
Like you.
Duct tape.
Oh.
Excuse me. Duct tape is ugly and can't be painted. So me, with big brain, I used masking tape to cover everything up so it can be painted. Big brain! Okay, so my sister is now on her way to sleep. So the job of painting, the task, I need a better word for painting, has now been bestowed upon me. Wow, Jenny, you're doing a great job. Look at those beautiful legs. Oh wait, guess who painted some of them a little bit?
Are they stuck?
Me! I did that and that.
That's...
You know, just gotta put credit where credit is due. What can I say? But it was mostly Jenna. Look, she did the pig. She did the head. Oh, the eyes are done. That looks so awesome. Wow! Everybody, Jenna has a song for you.
Okay. If you're doing all the work and you know it, clap your hands. If you're doing all the work,
clap your hands.
Clap your hands. If you're doing all the work and you know it. If you're doing all the work and you know it. If you think your brother's really lame, clap your hands.
By the time I get back downstairs tomorrow?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, great.
See you in the morning. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, everybody, so it's not even that late. It's like 9:15.
But we're like really tired.
But I'm tired and it's a beautiful fall night and all I kind of want to do is curl up in my warm bed and go to sleep. But I'm going to do this for you anyway. So you see, my sister, my dear old sister, was painting the pig. Oh boy, it looks amazing. But she forgot, like the day. What? I thought. What? I thought you didn't do it.
I did it one day when you weren't here.
When I weren't here.
I surprised you.
Wow, Jenna, for that you get a big hug. Come here, Jenna. Big hugs.
Yeah,
You
I
get
knew
to
it'd
go to
be
bed
helpful.
a whole lot earlier now. Okay.
All
So
because
now
of
we
me.
actually get to put together the pig. This is really exciting, guys. The Minecraft pigs have this thing going on where, like, the back legs kind of stick out a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Currently, they're like holes. So maybe my idea was to just put some masking tape over the top and paint the masking tape.
I think you should just cover a
maybe
slip
just
of cardboard and then just paint it.
paint it. Or I could just leave it open, but that looks bad. So I guess we're doing a little bit more work than we anticipated.
But that's fine.
It's fine. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Boop! No, not video. What am I doing? Okay, so we done did it. What are we doing now?
I don't know. You're the boss.
Putting it together. Fool. Jeez.
Tell them the big news. What we just finished.
We got the legs on. Next up is
Oh, you should be there for Halloween.
the head. PewDiePie, if you're watching this, which you definitely are not, this is for you.
You need to play like memorable music.
Alright, this is it, everybody. I better not mess this up. That's what should happen.
That back thing isn't touching it. One side is, one
It's
side
okay.
isn't.
I think we did it. Pause.
He is watching us. Meh. Meh.
This is the new mascot for Cardboard Craft.
Yee.
His name is Pig Pig. He creates the trifecta. It's the Cardboard Craft logo, the comments section grave, and Pig Pig. Yeah.
Okay.
But Pig Pig is not to be confused with peepeepoopoo.
What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, look, I can ride him.
Yeah?
Like in Minecraft. But peepeepoopoo, you betrayed PewDiePie, so
We'll give you a montage, yeah.
we'll give you a montage. Okay, cool. Jenna, I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Are you filming this? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this episode. If you've made it this far, comment peepeepoopoo down in the comment section below, along with a 3-page essay about this entire video. Just kidding, don't. I don't want to add to your workload. School. Blah. School. Lame. Okay, yeah. Jenna, you have anything to say? I do, about you. Thank you, Jenna, for helping me out. It is very helpful.
Can't take the
Couldn't have done it without you. It's just kidding. I'm just kidding. I could have. But it would have taken me a lot more time.
Thanks for that.
Don't even bother subscribing at this point. Just go take a nap for us. Okay, we're going to bed. Let's go.
Oh.
Good night, everybody.